Hello, and welcome to the Graph Cycle Training Program. I will be your guide. Let's start simple. Look up at the red light. There we go. And down at the red light. You got it. If you'd like to flip those controls, you can access them in the Options menu. When you're ready, proceed to the next area. You'll need to use your altitude control to navigate through the tunnel ahead. Nicely done. Your grav cycle has directional thrusters. You can use boost control to avoid enemy fire. Very good. Grav cycles require solid ground beneath them, so avoid steep ledges. You will have a limited window to correct your error before you and your vehicle plummet. If you find that you need repairs, use your nano emitter. Fire it at the ground and enter the healing field. You're doing very well. Let's move on to scan mode. You can scan for objects in the environment by using your scan control. Great. Shoot that barrel. A new path is now open. Proceed when ready. Engage the enemies ahead using your primary weapon. You're now ready to command a friendly unit. Use your command pulse to order your unit to the specified location.
Yep. Right away.
Your unit will try to fight around this area. Should you cancel a command, your units will return to your position and follow. The cancel command can prove useful in situations where you may have lost track of them, or require them to take over for a period of time.
You got it. Regrouping. Yep.
Use scan mode to search for interactables in the environment. Good work. You can use your command pulse to have your unit interact with the scanned object.
Yep.
Let's move on to unit combat training. We'll start by temporarily disabling your grav cycle's weapons. You'll need to work with your unit using only the command pulse. You can also use the command pulse to have your units prioritize targets. Try prioritizing the target dummies using the command pulse.
targeted. That's a kill. Focusing fire. Taking them out. Will do. Got it. Got it. Focusing fire.
Your units will return to you after they have eliminated a prioritized target. Good work. Each unit is equipped with a special ability. Using the unit ability control, your units will deploy their special ability on a target or location.
Focusing. Yep. Targeted. Enemy dispatched. Focusing. Taking them out. Yep.
These abilities can be pivotal in a combat situation. You may proceed to the next area.
Got it.
In order to revive a completely downed unit, you will first need to retrieve their brain can.
They're down. Yep.
Payback time.
Well done. Proceed to the final area for a live combat test. Every unit in your squad will always fight by your side, but it's the Grav Cycle pilot's commands that will increase their effectiveness in battle. To pass this test, all enemy combatants must be eliminated. Good luck.
Got it. Going for the kill.
Took him down.
Focusing fire. Right away.
You have taken some hits. Scan the area for a nano repair station.
Status critical. You got it. Status improving.
During combat, damaged enemies will enter a vulnerable state. It is during this state that they become susceptible to critical damage. Capitalizing on this state can be key when engaging stronger enemy units.
Targeted. That's a kill.
Going for the kill.
Got him. You got it.
Prioritized. That's a kill. Targeting.
Going for the kill.
Going for the kill. Prioritized.
Congratulations. You have completed the Graph Cycle training program.
I could use some repairs.